Hi Cloud9 crafters! Today I have a slightly different video for you. I'm not making a card, but I'll be showing you a few sentiment sets I really like. Let's dive right in. I'm starting with a few l'enfant sentiment sets. First of all, I have the Happy 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 set. This works great for different occasions. There are 3 styles of happy here, and you can combine these with different other sentiments in the set. So for example, you have Happy Wedding, Happy Mother's Day, Happy Holidays. There's also a sending and you make me. So you can combine those to get sending happy thoughts, you make me happy, etc. Next, I have the Simply sentiments. This also works for different occasions. So you have sentiments in here like just for you, happy birthday, just saying hello, etc. I love the font because it's just so simplistic. Here I'm showing you a card I made with the Feel Better sentiment. I really love the clean look of these sentiments. Really a very versatile set. Okay, on to the next one, which is the Scripty Bubbles set. I just rediscovered it in my stash. I actually didn't know I had it, so I haven't used it yet. But I can't wait to try it, really. I adore this whimsical font. You can color these bigger sentiments in, like with a gradient, or stamp them on patterned paper. There are also dies for this set, so you can cut them out and make the sentiment stand out even more. Really, I can't wait to try it. On to a few Mama Elephant sets. This is the Occasional Labels sentiment set. I wanted to show you this one because it's not like any other sentiment sets. They are really like labels that were printed with a label printer. Works for different occasions as well. There are Christmas wishes in here, as well as friendship wishes or sentiments that work great for birthday cards as well. Something to try if you want to change things up a bit. Then there is this Wishing You stamp set. I'm showing you this because you can stamp or heat emboss the bigger Wishing You on your card and then finish the sentiment with something you'd like. So there are multiple options in this set, like for wedding cards, for example. But if you want, you can actually pair it with sentiments from other sentiment sets you may have in your stash. I don't have the die, but recently Mama Elephant came out with the die for this set as well. Then I recently bought 2 fun Happy Doodle sentiment sets. I got this one called Down the Line because I like that the greetings here are vertical. I often struggle getting sentiments on cards that have very busy scenes, so I really like the option of adding a vertical sentiment. It's just that little extra, and I think it's very unique, so really excited to try this one out. Then I have this other one, the Everyday Sentiment Duos, which works great for multiple occasions as well. I also love that it's not just a plain sentiment, they are actually kind of funny, I guess. I don't know. I just really like the sentiments. Also something a little bit different than your regular sentiment sets. On to a few dies now. I grabbed my 2 favorite giant l'enfant dies. So first there's this giant XOXO. You can use it on a friendship card or for a card for your partner. But XOXO works great for everything, I find. I mean, you can wish your friend a happy birthday with this as the focus of the card. I made 2 cards with these that I haven't sent out yet. Really pleased with the results of these ones. So I think these giant dies just give it that extra something to your card, I think. Also very happy with this cards. I think I'm gonna send them out this weekend, I think. For the last one, there is this giant hooray. This works for birthday cards, but also for some other occasions like a graduation, for example. I love the versatility of this fun big die. So these were a few of my favorite sentiment stamp sets and dies. I hope you found this video helpful. You can check out the link in the description box below. There I listed all the items I have shown in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!